Can I ask you, as the audience, a question? What do you spend most of your day thinking about?
Well, that's an interesting question, Karin, because whatever has your attention usually has your energy too.
Yeah, and if you are like most people, it's probably deadlines, problems, worries, or something that didn't go the way you hoped.
Mhm. Yeah, I see this all the time in endurance sports. For example, in a marathon or in an Ironman triathlon, I could think of the 30 kilometers I have left in the race, and that can be extremely exhausting, or I can focus on getting to the next aid station. Same race, completely different mindset.
That's a great analogy. And leadership is exactly the same. Every day you decide where your attention goes.
And that doesn't mean pretending problems don't exist. But if all you focus on is what's wrong, you miss the opportunities to make things better.
Yeah, and one of the questions I ask myself quite regularly is what I'm thinking about something that I can influence?
Hmm.
If the answer is no, um, I try to give it the minimum amount of my time.
That's true because where your attention goes, your actions follow.
Absolutely. And your actions become your results. If you don't manage your focus, it will manage you. This isn't about being positive all the time. It's about being intentional with how you lead yourself first and then the people around you.
Yes, I believe awareness is everything. Once you become aware of where your attention is going, you have the power to choose a different focus. And that can change how you lead, how you work, and even how you live. Now, if you found this message helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Every week, Karin and I share practical leadership insights you can apply immediately to build stronger leaders, healthier cultures, and better workplaces. Thanks for watching. Until next time, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.